Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Neeta's World of Knowledge. Turbulent twists of nature. Good morning one and all present here. Let me start by asking you to close your eyes for a moment and imagine that a man is sitting on a bench viewing the incredibly beautiful sunset, enjoying the soft breeze and distant laughter. Suddenly, the bench shook violently. The ground was rippling beneath him. In an instant, calm turned to chaos. Trees swayed, people stumbled, and the shocking truth hit everyone. An earthquake had struck. Nature, in its many forms, can be soft and soothing or strong and overwhelming. Today, I, Pragati Pandey, will be taking you all on a fascinating journey. Let me start with a simple question. When you think of nature, what comes to your mind? Is it the calm beauty of a sunrise over the Himalayas or the fierce power of a cyclone hitting the coast? Nature is all of these things and more. It's full of peace, but full of surprises too. Our world is home to some of the most extreme weather. Who do you think feels the wrath of nature? A man who is struggling in the freezing cold temperature of minus 89 degrees Celsius in Antarctica, or who is drowning in his own sweat at 56 degrees Celsius in Africa? Now, let's focus on India, a country with incredible landscapes. From the towering Himalayas to the lush Western Ghats, from the vast Thar Desert to a long coastline. India is home to the world's largest river island, Majuli, located in the Brahmaputra River. However, this island is constantly threatened by flooding, a stark reminder of nature's dual power to give and to take away. Do you know, in 2004, the Indian Ocean tsunami, nature at its turbulent best, is one of the deadliest natural disasters ever, impacted 14 countries, including India, and claimed nearly 230,000 lives. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, the earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. Yet, we still hoard and easily use plastic so much that the sea vomits out gallons of plastic every year, and some of it ends up in the bodies of its giants like whales. Turbulent twists of nature are not only felt by humans but also by animals too. A turtle moves from sea to reach its coast by avoiding vultures. It is rightly said that nature is our biggest teacher. Precaution is better than cure, since nowadays there are early warning systems and rescue teams available. Now, you might be wondering what we as students can do to help shape our environment. The answer is very simple. We can make big difference with small actions. Start by reducing, reusing and recycling plastic. Remember, every little bit helps in the bigger picture. What do you want? Trees or bricks? Swachh Bharat, Swasth Bharat. The Ganges is not just a river, it's a lifeline for millions. Have you all ever heard or read these lines? These are some of the remarkable quotes said in the Chipko movement, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and the Ganga Action Plan. The media too has a powerful role to play. Imagine the impact of a single story, a news report highlighting a community's efforts to clean up a polluted river. The media has a lot of powers. So, let's take this moment to reflect on the turbulent twists of nature. Let us remember that we are a part of this incredible ever changing system. The storms, floods, and droughts are not just challenges, they are opportunities for us to learn, adapt, and grow. Together, we can build a future where we can shape our environment. In conclusion, I leave you with this thought. Nature, at its wildest best, reveals that its true power and beauty, showing us that the real change often comes from accepting its untamed forces. Thank you. If you like our videos, so please like, share, comment, and subscribe. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.